Hello and welcome to JAMaROO Kids. I'm teacher Jamaica and today we're going to be doing a cooking activity. Today we are going to make pea pesto. I love making pea pesto because peas are so good for you. These little peas are packed with lots of nutritional value and they also taste delicious. So this is actually a pea puree recipe from Giada's recipe book called New Italian Favorites. And I use this, this recipe for lots of things. I'll use it for pasta. I'll use it as a dip on a veggie platter. I'll use it as a spread on sandwiches. It's also really yummy as a bed or as a topping to any seafood or any kind of chicken. So today we are gonna get started with 2 cups of organic frozen peas. These peas have been thawed out. So I'm gonna measure these out. I have my cooking cup right here. I'm gonna pour my peas into the cooking cup for 2 cups. And we are then gonna put them into our mini food processor right here. So that's 1 cup. Let's do one more. 2 cups. And then we're gonna put that in here. Today we are going to add something to our recipe. Again, for just a little extra nutrition, we are gonna add 1/4 cup of carrots. And we are gonna add 1 garlic clove. 1 garlic clove that's been cut up into 4 pieces. Now the recipe also calls for mint, but I like to add fresh basil as well. So I'm gonna put my basil in here. We have 1/4 cup of mint and probably a little less than 1/4 cup of basil. And we're gonna put that all in there. So we are now going to, we have some salt and pepper, and we have some olive oil, and some lemon juice, and some Parmesan, 1/4 cup of Parmesan. I'm sorry, 1/2 cup of Parmesan, and 1/2 cup of olive oil. We are going to actually mix this up, and I'm gonna take you over to the blender with me so that you can see how we slowly add the olive oil to the mixture while it is blending. Are you ready? Let's go. So after you start blending, I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice into the top. We have 2 little holes here. We're gonna put our olive oil in there in a little bit, but I'm gonna help the process by putting a little bit of lemon juice in there. Okay. So while it's grinding, we're gonna slowly pour the olive oil into the top. There's 2 little holes at the top, so the olive oil is slowly dripping in. Look, friends, it's almost done. It's been all blended. Now all we need to do is add our Parmesan cheese, our salt, and our pepper. We have transferred our pea pesto into a larger bowl. We're now going to add our 1/2 cup of Parmesan. We're going to stir that up. And we are gonna add a dash of salt and pepper. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt. You don't need too much salt because the Parmesan is salty. We're gonna mix that up and we are now ready to use our pea pesto on, like I said, a sandwich, some chicken, any poultry. It's delicious on any type of fish or seafood. I personally love it with scallops, and it's wonderful with veggies like this. And we are done with our pea pesto. It is beautiful. I have it on a veggie platter here, and I am going to enjoy that with a little bit of carrots or cucumbers, snap peas, whatever your veggie is of choice. Delicious and nutritious too. Thank you so much for joining me here at Cooking at JAMaROO Kids, and we will see you again real soon. If you try out this pea pesto recipe, please make sure you let us know if you like it as much as we do. Bye-bye.